right, boys, take your bow. Thank your audience. Give them a hand. Hard work. Thank you, Teacher Gabi. They're awesome. Okay, our next number, we're going to bring to you our mermaids. This is an otea that our vahines are going to do to you. It tells you a story of a sailor on a canoe trip, and he falls asleep in the ocean and he dreams of mermaids. This is mermaids. going to turn our stage over to you folks. We like to share it with our audience. Don't be shy. Go on, girls. Grab somebody. Go fishing. And remember, it's bad luck to turn down a wahine.
Bad luck to turn down.
Tamahine.
Bad luck to
Bring them on
turn
over
down.
here.
Bad luck to
Don't
turn
take too long now.
Bad luck
We're on
to turn
borrowed
down.
time. Let's go, babies. Bring them up. Miley, hey. Good, bring them on up. Don't be shy. Now time for the audience to show off their stuff. Now remember, if you decide you want to do what we do up here, make sure you come visit our studio. We have open enrollment next Saturday at our studio. It's on Watkins and Smith, called Tehani Dance Studio. Easy to find us, just look for hulamom.com. Okay, looks like we got a good amount of volunteers. Spread out, kids, so everyone's comfortable. I like that we have a lot of kids up here. All right, girls, let's teach our guests how to do tamao, okay? Tamao, right, left, right, left. Up, tamao. Right, left, guys. Just sway your hips. Use your knees. Look at their knees. Awesome work. All right, pay attention because we're going on an elevator ride. Take them to the first floor, girls. Awesome, not bad, not bad. Take them to the third floor. Stop right there, third floor. All right, jump off that elevator. Take them to the Mount Everest, all the way to the top. Use your toes. Use those toes. Good. Go back down, flat feet. Take them around the island. Take them around the island. Woo! How about that, audience? Give them a hand. Is that pretty good? Make U-turn, guys. Go back around the other way. Awesome. Let's show them Varapu. Varapu. All right, on Tui. We're going to Varapu and Tamao. Ready? Boom. Hit it. Boom. Hit it. Good listening. Varapu. Come on, use your knees. Running in place. Good job. Here it comes. Listen. Pay attention. Oh, too early. Go. One more time. Good students. I'm so proud. We got to show you off. Come on, push. Use your knees. Go. Tamo. Very good. Hey. Good work. Thank your guests and bring them back. Here's our grand finale, folks.